And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we talked with Common Ground volunteer Leslie Boswell about the fact that livestock is only responsible for 4% of greenhouse gas emissions, according to the EPA.
And now Leslie is back with a recipe to share. In the story, we find out how to make a dish that is perfect for families on the go.
Life is fast these days, and you want to have a good meal, but you want to maybe get it quick and yet get a good hearty meal as well. We've got the answer for you. Joining me now is Leslie Boswell with Common Ground. Leslie, it's good to see you today. What do you have for us?
John, I've got something that is very simple. It's nothing fancy. It's just something easy. Kids can help throw together. Throw it in the oven, 15 minutes, you've got dinner on the table. That's the way you need to do it, especially this crazy time of year when school's about out, track meets, band concerts, golf meets, baseball, everything is going on. So what I've got here is rolled up pizza dough. What I use is I like Fairbury brand hot dogs. So I've got some of those. I've got the pizza dough and I'm going to cut it up. 6 hot dogs total. I've already done a couple of them. So I just cut this up into a total of 6 pieces. And then you unroll it using the pizza cutter like that. Always cuts dough very well. You unroll your dough, and then I always keep a supply of shredded cheese in the refrigerator. I've got various ones here. I've got Velveeta, I've got Mexican, I've got cheddar. Just lay down a little bit of layer of that, put your hot dog on there, and roll it up. Just that simple. Then I've got a pan here. I sprayed the bottom of it. I've got a can of chili in there, and I'm going to lay these in there, and then I'm going to bake that at 375 for about 16 minutes until it's about done. Then when you get all done with this, you can throw this little bit of cheese on top. Basically, you're cleaned up. You just pull this out of a bag instead of throwing them out here in a bowl. Put that in the oven for about 15 minutes at 375, and you've got chili cheese dogs. Now, if you're like my family, my husband doesn't care for the chili. So you can also put these just on a cookie sheet. You put foil down, spray the foil. Trust me, you're going to want that. Put these in for about 15 minutes. You can pull these off. And then if you've got someone that likes the chili, you can go ahead and put some chili over the top. If you don't, you can just eat them plain. Put some barbecue sauce on them, put some ketchup on them. They're super quick, just that easy. The kids can pick their own kind of cheese that they like, and you've got supper that fast in the evenings.
All right. Thank you, Leslie, for being here today.
I'm so glad to be with you, John.